Good morning, children. Class 10, chapter number 6, life process, revision video. Criteria to decide whether something is alive. We can classify things based on their movement, where they are alive or dead. The most important criteria is movement. All living things move without the help of any external things. Some movements are easily visible, like movements in the body parts. Some movements are not easily visible, like molecular movements. So life process, there are four main life process: nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. Let's learn in detail. The nutrition is the process by taking food by organism and its utilization by the body to build the body for growth, repair and damaged parts of the body. Modes of nutrition, there are two main modes of nutrition: autotrophs, heterotrophs, etc. The organism which able to prepare their own food is called autotrophs. Example, all green plants and some bacteria. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition, in which organism get their food directly or indirectly from plants. They are unable to synthesize their food, so they are heterotrophic. Example, all animals including human beings, fungus and some bacteria. So types of heterotrophic nutrition: saprophytic, parasitic and holozoic. In saprophytic is the nutrition which organism get their food from the dead and decaying organism, like mushroom, bread molds, yeast. Parasites, parasite the organism that live in the body of the host. They depend on the host plant. For example, Cuscuta is the parasitic plant. Then holozoic, in nutrition which organism take food directly and digest and absorb. Example, amoeba, paramecium, birds, fishes. Humans are also holozoic. Nutrition in plants. Plants prepare their food by the process of photosynthesis. Equation of photosynthesis is given here. The photosynthesis takes place in sunlight, presence of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the green color pigment present in the chloroplast cell of the plants. It is green color. It traps the sunlight. Structure of chloroplast. Stomata open to allow the carbon dioxide to enter and leaf and water vapor to leave. Stomata is the small opening present on the leaf stem. It is responsible for exchange of gases CO2 and oxygen. It also releases water vapor. Structure of stomata. Stomata are surrounded by guard cell, open stomata and closed stomata. Here one activity given to show that chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. Without chlorophyll, photosynthesis will not take place. We need alcohol in this activity to remove the chlorophyll. Read this activity carefully. After that, we need to test that leaf with the iodine to check whether the starch is synthesized or not. Another activity is to show that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Without carbon dioxide, photosynthesis will also not take place. Here we need potassium hydroxide to absorb the excess carbon dioxide. Nutrition in animals. First, amoeba. Amoeba is holozoic unicellular animal living in water. So various steps take place in amoeba. They have finger-like projection called pseudopodia to engulf the food particles. Nutrition in human beings. So various organs involved in human digestive systems are mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine and anus. And the glands involved are salivary glands, gastric glands, liver, pancreas and intestinal glands. So these are the structure of digestive system in human being. The detailed process of digestion start from the mouth. Teeth break the food into small particles. Then saliva is mixed. Saliva contains salivary enzyme, salivary amylase, which converts starch into sugar. In the stomach contains some gastric juices, hydrochloric acid and mucus. Pepsin is also present. Pepsin is an enzyme that break down the protein and make the hydrochloric acid make the condition acidic, where the pepsin is act in the upper part of the small intestine is called duodenum. The food mixed with the bile from the liver and pancreatic juice from the pancreas. break down the fats into smaller globules. Pancreatic juice contains the enzymes trypsin, lipase. Trypsin break down the protein and lipase break down fats. Then small intestine. The complete digestion takes place in small intestine where carbohydrate turns into glucose, fat into fatty acid and protein into amino acid. Then large intestine. The water is absorbed